Roaches?
Hello, sir.
Hey, sir.
Robert, I got your report. Not too bad. Oh, but not too good either.
So if you don't mind me asking, sir, what did you not like about
Oh,
it?
Robert, it was so dry. Hey, that's something your wife doesn't have a problem with, does she? Huh? Huh?
So funny, asshole. Look here, you bald-headed son of a bitch. You leave me and my wife alone. If you don't, I'll shoot an order so far up your ass, you'll be tasting shoebox for the rest of your life. You hear me? Fuck it.
Damn, Mr. Clean, you looking kind of dirty down there, ain't you?
That's why I never like your old bitch ass anyway. What is this, a Publix, you cheap motherfucker?
That's right, smell my white trash ass.
Yeah.